Isn't it strange? Telecommunications exist to connect. Connect people, companies, countries. But when it comes to expanding your network, there are always a lot of loose ends. The companies that design new products don't manufacture them. Those that manufacture them don't sell them. And those that do sell them don't always have the right product for your challenge. Hence why, until now, to expand your network, you had to knock on many doors and hear many no's. But this was before Yelco, because now the design, production and distribution of products for your network are finally connected. This means that if the product you need exists, you will find it on Yelco. If it doesn't exist, Yelco will design and manufacture the product for you. And we can help your network architecture become more efficient by proposing the products it needs. So you can do it as fast as possible with less costs and greater profitability. To guarantee a flexible response within your time frame and at competitive prices, Yelco joins all the components. An in-depth knowledge of telecommunications, its own abilities throughout the entire production cycle, and a long track record of innovation for countless customers. At Yelco, we don't like loose ends, but we do like challenges. Show us yours. Can we help you? Oh, yay! Yelco, you say telco, we say yay!